Mike, I have another confusing one. What is the difference between borrow and lend? I always mix them up and people look at me so confused.
Oh, yes, this one trips up so many English learners, but once you see this simple difference, it will be so easy to remember.
Please explain. I never know which one to say.
Okay, so the key is thinking about direction. Both words are about the same situation, but from different sides.
Different sides? What do you mean?
Let me give you a picture. Imagine I have a pen and you need it. You take the pen from me for a while and give it back later. That is the same situation, but we describe it differently depending on who is talking.
Oh, interesting. So, how do I know which word to use?
Simple. Borrow means to take something from someone for a short time. So you are the one receiving. For example, can I borrow your pen? You are asking to take it.
So, borrow is from the receiver's point of view.
Exactly. And lend means to give something to someone for a short time. So you are the one giving. For example, can you lend me your pen? You are asking me to give it to you.
Wait, so can I borrow your pen and can you lend me your pen mean exactly the same thing?
Yes, same situation, totally different perspective. Borrow is from the taker, lend is from the giver.
Oh, that is so clever. So if I need money from you, I can say, can I borrow some money or can you lend me some money?
Perfect. Both are completely correct. And I would say, sure, I will lend you some money because I am the one giving.
And I would say, thank you for lending me money or thank you for letting me borrow it.
Brilliant. You are a natural. Just remember, you can never say, can you borrow me your pen? That is a very common mistake.
Oh, because borrow is only for the person receiving, not the person giving.
Exactly right. The giver always uses lend. The receiver always uses borrow. Never mix the two directions.
This is so useful. I make this mistake all the time at work.
Now you will never make it again. Just think about the direction. Are you giving or receiving?
Giving, lend, receiving, borrow. Got it.
See? Simple once you know the trick.
Can I borrow your brain for the rest of my English lessons?
Sure, but I will need it back by Friday.